Welcome to the Easy Tech channel, and this is a quick video to talk about updates for security on Windows. So of course today is Patch Tuesday. It is the second Tuesday of the month of May 2020, which is May 12th. And that means it's time for Windows updates for Patch Tuesday. So those of you on long-term support, enterprise versions for example, you are getting this update. But for most people, the only versions of Windows updated are Windows 8.1 and Windows 10 version 1809 and up, or that's the October 2018 update and up. So basically this is, there's a lot of fixes in here from what we see. Security updates for Internet Explorer, Microsoft Scripting Engine, the Windows App Platform and Frameworks, Microsoft Graphics Component, Windows Input and Composition, Windows Media, Windows Shell, Microsoft Xbox, Microsoft Edge, Windows Fundamentals, Windows Cryptography, Windows Authentication, Windows Kernel, Windows Linux, Windows Update Stack, Windows Network, Security and Containers, Windows Active Directory, Windows Storage and File Systems, and the Microsoft Jet Database Engine. So it seems to be a pretty big Patch Tuesday again. And we're going to have a little more details later on what exactly are the updates in here. I think it's going to be interesting to see. So what you need to do is simply head on to your Windows updates. Of course, your machines, most machines are made to update by themselves. But if you want to make sure you're safe as soon as possible, simply go to the Windows update, check for your updates, and you should see the cumulative update that will appear depending on the version of Windows you're using, and install it to stay safe on the internet and of course with your computer. There will be no bug fixing updates this month for those that wonder, because Microsoft has said that they're pausing the updates for anything that is bug fixes. And of course sometimes there are bug fixes mixed in with the security updates. Well, this month this is just security updates. No bug fixes in here, except the update for the 2020 start date for daylight savings times in the Kingdom of Morocco. So they probably made some changes there. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.